What do you think inside Electrolux made the operational excellence possible? What kind of skills?
So in order to build a very strong industrial culture in our company, one foundation was obviously the lean tools and methodologies. On the other side, there is the need to have a very open environment and engage people in order to have a lot of bottom-up activities that are creating this engine of continuous improvement.
How would you manage to tackle the problem between the duality that data has nowadays? Because nowadays we have a lot of problems with the antitrust basically, but data in general is the most useful concept to process improvement and product improvement.
That's a very crucial topic also for us, obviously, because on one side there is the need to understand better how processes are operating and product is operating, and so we need data. On the other side, we need to guarantee that data are used in a proper and ethical way. One very strong commitment in the company is to pay the maximum level of attention to data security. Sometimes we are a little bit slower in the market compared to our Asian competitors, for instance, but we are very proud of the level of security on our data channel. On the other side, personal information. Mainly we are much more used on the effect of this and not what Rodrigo is doing, but when the appliance is working at your house, which kind of signals and conditions is operating in order also to engage the consumer with the right tip in order to prevent failures or breakdowns. And so more than personal data are data related to the use of appliances itself that are always coming after consensus from the user.
One usual question we get is how you see yourself in 10 years. How you answer to the same question now and how that has changed over the years.
I've always tried to embrace change in my personal and professional life because I feel that in order to be promoting a change, you need also to change yourself.